Hello students and welcome to your SST class. Today we will take about the exercise part of climate of India. So let us start. First one, fill in the blanks. India experiences a variety of climate ranging from tropical in south to temperate in the Himalayan north. Second, India experiences four main seasons. Third, the mountain regions in the Himalayas experience heavy snowfall. Fourth, the winter rain is very important for the cultivation of rabi crop. Fifth, in the coastal plains, the weather is not too hot because of the influence of the sea. Sixth, the rainy season is marked by the onset and advancement of monsoons. Seventh, the southwest summer monsoons occur from June to September. 8th, in the second half of October, the mercury begins to fall rapidly in northern India. Now second part, write T for true and F for false statement. First one, the Himalayas and the Thar Desert strongly influence the climate of India. It's true. The cold weather season or winter season is observed mainly in the southern region. It's false because it is observed mainly in northern region. In India, the hot weather season lasts from March to May. It's true. During the southwest monsoon, the winds blow from land to the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. It's false because wind blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards land. The retreat of monsoon is marked by clear skies and rise in temperature. It's true. Now next is answer the following questions. First one, describe the type of climate in India. Answer, India experiences tropical type of climate in south and temperate type of climate in north. Second, what are the four major seasons observed in India? Answer, four main seasons are A part, cold weather season or winter. Now over here you can write either cold weather season or you can also write winter. B part, hot weather season or summer. You can write either one. C, southwest monsoon season or rainy season. D, retreating monsoon or autumn season. You can write either one. Either you can write winter, summer, rainy season, autumn season, or you can also write cold weather season, hot weather season, southwest monsoon season or retreating monsoon season. Third question, describe the hot weather season in India and why do people visit hill stations during the summer season? The hot weather season or summer lasts from March to May. It is characterized by rising temperature and falling air pressure. People visit hill station in summer because in the hills and higher up summers are cool, as with height temperature falls. Fourth one, what are monsoons? Describe them in detail. Write down. Fourth answer, monsoon is defined as system of wind characterized by a seasonal reversal of direction. Now features of monsoons. A point, in summers temperature of land increases and air pressure decreases. B, winds start blowing from high pressure in ocean to low pressure on land. C, these moisture laden winds cause rainfall when they strike against any physical barrier. So these are the features of monsoon. Next, fifth question, what do you mean by retreating monsoons? Which states in India receive rainfall during retreating monsoon? Answer, during October and November there is seasonal reversal in the wind direction. The wind start blowing from northeast to southwest direction. This phenomenon is known as retreating monsoon. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh receive heavy rainfall during retreating monsoon. So with this, your question answers are over. In our next video, we'll start our next chapter.